Good luck. Look at this madman.
The madman even have money.
Good luck. Let us collect the money.
Uncle, go first. Take your own then. Me, I will take my own second. Then you not collect the last one.
If I collect, you will not collect.
You not collect the last one.
Oh yeah, just calm down. Go. Collect.
Uncle, be careful so that you will not wake up.
Yay!
Uncle.
Please don't kill us. Please don't kill us.
Please.
The both of you are mad people.
We are not mad now. It's you that is mad.
Shut up. The both of you are mad. How can you steal money and you did not steal the money complete? I've been chasing the both of you for the past 7 hours to give you the remaining money that you're supposed to steal that you did not steal. Yes, the money. Take it. Mad people.
Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego.
Thanks for watching this sweet comedy video. Subscribe, like and share with your friends. Don't be stingy. Please subscribe. Please. We need more subscribers. Please. Thank you for watching this sweet comedy. Thank you.
Oh, fine girl. See, you're very looking good, eh? See, I saw you from that way, you hear me? And the Spirit of the Lord whispered to me, I should come and meet you and toast you. And behold, I'm here to toast you. Now I'm toasting you. See, I just like it, I just want us to be boys and girls. I want to be your boyfriend. You don't know. See, let me tell you the truth, See, I'm a big man. Just wait, let me just make a business call now, you will see.